Every year, a staggering 10 million tons of butter grace tables worldwide, delighting taste buds and enhancing the simple pleasure of toast. Born from cow's milk, this creamy delight has a history dating back 10,000 years, rooted in the accidental agitation of cream. This discovery has evolved into the industrial-scale production we witness today. The journey of butter, from cow udders to consumer tables, took a leap forward during the Industrial Revolution. In ancient times, the Romans valued butter not only for culinary uses, but also as a beauty cream and burn treatment. Vikings relied on butter for sustenance during their daring journeys. In earlier days, making butter involved agitating milk in animal skin bags or hollow logs. The turning point came in 1878 with Carl Gustav Patrick's mechanical cream separator, enabling large-scale production. In Denmark, a dairy stronghold, half of the 570,000 dairy cows contribute milk to butter production, emphasizing the importance of cows' living conditions for quality butter. The process begins with a milk tanker delivering around 30,000 liters of cow's milk to the dairy. Rigorous laboratory testing ensures consistent color and odor before the raw milk undergoes separation. The cream, with about 38% fat, is separated from the liquid, which becomes skimmed milk, an essential ingredient for butter production. The separated cream, thick and whitish, travels to the butter factory, where it undergoes pasteurization at 92 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds to eliminate unwanted bacteria. This pasteurized cream is then subjected to a ripening process to achieve uniform consistency throughout the year. Ripening involves heating and slowly cooling the cream to modify fat crystal structure. The cream, now matured, undergoes churning after 24 hours of pasteurization. The churner, a robust machine, spins for about 5 minutes, creating air bubbles that break fat droplet membranes, forming creamy clumps known as butter popcorn. After 30 minutes of churning, the churner retains the butter popcorn while draining buttermilk, used to make creamy cheese. To complete the process, 14 kilograms of salt and a lactic culture are added to the butter popcorn. Salt provides flavor, while the lactic culture introduces bacteria for lactose fermentation, giving butter its characteristic taste and aroma. Kneading and vacuum removal of air follow, resulting in rich, creamy butter ready for shaping and packaging. In the final phase of production, a worker puts about 30 kilograms of butter into a mill, which transports the butter to the packaging stage. A machine extrudes the butter into block shapes, and an injector deposits these blocks into open containers. The packaging paper used has an outer aluminum coating to prevent light spoilage. The machine operates 4 days a week, producing up to 230 packages per minute. To ensure precision in the packaging, workers check 1 out of every 15 blocks to make sure they weigh exactly 455 grams. Ready pallets containing 4,000 butter packages are then placed in a cold storage warehouse. Fans keep this mountain of butter at approximately 2 degrees Celsius. Every 2 minutes, a pallet leaves the factory, contributing to the transportation of 2.5 million butter packages to supermarkets worldwide. The butter journey is fascinating, but the story doesn't end there. The factory doesn't stop at butter. It also engages in the production of powdered milk. The process begins with milk from suppliers being transported to storage tanks with a massive capacity of 1 million liters. The milk is then pumped into an intermediate container and subsequently into machines responsible for evaporating the milk until it reaches a density between 45 and 52%. The concentrated milk is then pumped to the spray drying tower through a heating system and a homogenization system. The spray drying tower is where the magic of the drying process happens, resulting in a final product with a mere 4% water content. The flexibility of the process allows for the production of various types of powdered milk, including skimmed milk, whole milk, and blends with different vegetable oils. Freshly produced powdered milk is transported from the spray drying tower to a container positioned above the weighing and packaging line. This fully automated line efficiently packs the powdered milk into bags or sachets. The final product then passes through the distribution warehouse before embarking on its journey to customers worldwide. These industrialized processes showcase the remarkable transformation of cow's milk into staple products accessible to a broad consumer base. From production facilities to supermarket shelves, butter and powdered milk contribute to daily rituals and culinary delights globally. Thank you for joining us on this journey from cow's milk to butter and powdered milk. If you found this interesting, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.